What's up, guys? Las Vegas Ranger Outdoors here, and today I'm going to be doing a test. Now, there seems to be this debate on the internet about whether you can clean your motorcycle chain with brake cleaner. A lot of people are saying brake cleaner is going to mess up the rubber on the O-ring, and you're going to mess up your chain because it's going to lose all the lubrication. The O-ring is going to break. Well, today we're going to find out. What I'm going to do is I got some different size O-rings right here, and I'm going to put them in a little container. I'm going to spray it with brake cleaner, and I'm going to check it every day, and I'm going to document it on this video every single day, and we'll go a few days. How many days? I don't know. We're going to do a few days, and we're going to check these O-rings and see if they're any weaker than when we started. Okay, so we can finally put this debate to rest. All right, let's go. All right, there's the O-rings. I got different sizes. I got different thickness. So I got a little of each. That way nobody can contest my little test here. Here's my container. Get the O-rings in there. Got good old brake cleaner. And we'll just get a good amount in there just to coat them. You can even see them floating around in there. We'll cover it up so it doesn't evaporate. And we'll check it every single day, and I'll document it. And after a few days, we'll pull on it and see if the rubber's any weaker. And there is the date and time, August 5th. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. All right, back for day 2 of our test. And let me show you the date and time. There we go, 8/6 at 3:42. All right, let's take a look at what we got going on here. Wow, did you guys see that? I just pulled it with my hand. I didn't even need the weight scale. I just pulled it apart with my hand. There you go. Now let's try a new one with my hand. This is a brand new one. Nope. So there you got it. Brake cleaner will destroy the rubber on your chains. Will just a little bit of this hurt your rubber O-rings? It could. I mean, I had it soaking in there for 22 hours. I was able to pull it apart with my hands, so that says something. I took some new ones out that I didn't spray, and I couldn't pull it apart with my hands. So there you got it. Brake cleaner is bad for your rubber O-rings on your motorcycle chain. Don't use it. Use soap and water. All right, we'll see you on the next video. Las Vegas Ranger Outdoor, I'm out. So there was no need to do multiple days of this test because I did it for one day, and I was able to pull these O-rings apart with just my fingers. I'm sorry, guys. It is so hot in my garage. It's 112 degrees today outside in Las Vegas. And let me show you what the temperature is in my garage. Sheesh. All right, we'll see you on the next video.